Today, we're going to add a few touches of Valentine into this kitchen, and lots of red and lots of hearts. We're going to do a wreath, we're going to put together a centerpiece, and we're going to finish it with a beautiful tablescape. So stay right there. As I was going through my stash, I realized that I really did have some things that we could put little touches of Valentine into the kitchen and not have to really spend a lot of money. So I've got these little hearts, and they were used before, so I'm going to make some adjustments with those. I've got some red ribbon, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use this red ribbon or not, but it may show up somewhere. The roses I did have to pick up because I just didn't have enough of those. So as you can see, I'm taking one of the Chinese restaurant chopsticks, and I'm using that as the base to put down into this galvanized pitcher. And inside of the galvanized pitcher, I have added some pieces of leftover garland, and that is going to be my base for this particular arrangement. So you can see I've got the hearts in place, and I'm looking at the ribbon thinking, I don't think I'm going to use that. Now these little roses I got at through Amazon, but the little white flowers I had left over, and they're actually from the Dollar Tree. And you know, it's been interesting as to the things that you can find in the stores, but I really didn't want to spend anything because I just wanted to do a little something in the kitchen. So I'm just adding in a little bit of white because the hearts are red, of course. And you know, white just brings the red out. So that's what we're doing. We're adding those little touches, and you'll probably see these again in the spring. But for any arrangement, most of the time you want to add a little touch of white because the white adds the light and the brightness to your arrangement, whether it's a wreath or whether it's just a table arrangement. So I'm going back and putting in these little roses. I love these little roses. Aren't they cute? Little rosebuds. And they're going to be, actually I have a few too many, but that's okay. They're not all going to go in this. So we're going to have to find a use for them since I have them, of course. So I'm adding those touches of roses, and you'll see why later on. You know, sometimes I'll decorate with roses and sometimes not so much. But we're going to work through this arrangement and get it on the table. I like themes. I like to be able to use a theme and work it through the entire kitchen. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to have fun. We had some snow, and I needed a little something extra to do. So watch what I'm going to do. And like I said, other than the roses, everything was already here. I didn't have to do a lot. Now, that little red bow with the dots, I already had the ribbon, so I thought, you know, I need a little bit of a combination. So that's what I'm going to do. So this was all the ribbon I had of this. So because of that, I got it into a bow, and I'm just hoping that it will tie in the back because that's where I want it. And I found some little felt hearts that I thought were kind of cute. And I was thinking, okay, what can I do with that heart? Because I didn't want to throw them away, but they were in the bottom of the Valentine storage box. So let's see what we can do. Okay, got glue, and I have a heart. Look at where that's going to go. Now, I need to hold that in place because I have a feeling it may fall off. So let's see if our glue is going to hold. And so it needs a little pressure. This wreath needs a little warming up. I'm tired of the winter, so let's see what we can do to add that Valentine warmth. I hope you have certainly enjoyed my little decorating escapade. And I hope that you'll take a moment and add a little bit of love into your kitchen, not just from you, but also share the love with each other as well as with those who are entering your kitchen. So, have fun, and I'll see you soon right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme with Leona Dooley.